I'm Chad, and you're watching Squarebody Stuff. Welcome back to the channel. You can tell I am not in my shop. I'm actually at Newport Raceway in Newport, Arkansas. Me and the wife kind of took a little day trip and ended up down here to the venue that we're going to be having the Tailgate ThrowDown, which I haven't talked about the Tailgate ThrowDown much on my channel yet. Don't know why. Just always slips my mind when I'm making a video. But we are here. Scott Cooper, the owner, said I can come by and hang out. They've got some guys that's going to do some testing. They got a track rental, but he said I can stop by since I was in the area and just hang out and get some video of the place, show you guys what the track is. You know, it's nice. It's got a lot of character. I think you guys will like it. It's going to be, like I said, it's going to be a driver's race or a driver's track, a tuner's track, because you're not going to be able to put everything down if you got a lot. I'm not going to have to worry about that. I'm just going to have to worry about keeping my stuff together. So we're able to just kind of wander around. He said I could take some video of this place and kind of show everybody what this track is about, what to kind of expect when you get here for the Tailgate ThrowDown. It's got a real nice hometown feel to it. You know, it's not a big racetrack. It's an old airstrip, concrete. I'll just kind of walk you guys through it and show you around a little bit. And for those of you that want to know what's on the menu, there we go. We got some smoked bologna sandwiches, breakout burger, dragster dog, all sorts of good stuff. They've also got some brand new restrooms. Actually have running water and everything in them. I didn't check it out. Let's see if they're... Oh, they got them locked because nobody else is here. Scott had to take off. He said we could just do whatever we want to here at the track. I'm going to stay out of these guys' way. They're doing the testing, but we got the burnout box, starting line. Not sure what you can see on the surface here. It's got quite a bit of rubber laid down already. On up there, if you can see the cones, maybe I can zoom in. Don't let me zoom in too much. That's the finish line at the end of the barriers. Finish line, I think he said you have about 1,000 foot of shutdown, and then you go into a field, and it looks like there's a barn or something there. Then over here to the left is your return lane. I believe the ticket shack. They're trying to get some cleaning up done around here for this testing session. They got the concession stand, and there's our truck. Hi, Mrs. Squarebody, if she's sitting there watching me. These are the grandstands. Hopefully we get these full. So let's take you on a little walk down the track and kind of show you what it's about. Pretty good surface. I think this is going to be a driver's and tuner's track. I think the weekend before they're gonna have Limpy and his bunch have a big show here. So there may be some more rubber laid down. May have a pretty good track to start with. Hopefully I don't start breathing heavy on you guys walking down here. You've got the sections of concrete. You'll probably feel a few of those. Yep, it's got character. Seems like it'll be a fun track. This right side, you got some cracks going this way. Looks like you might be able to feel those too. There's a little repair there. It's gonna be a fun track. You guys could have walked down the middle of it so you guys can see kind of both sides of it. Scott Cooper, the guy that owns this place, really cool guy. He said just kind of wander around, do whatever I want to for a little bit. I think he said just go ahead and drive down here, but I feel like a good walk. Yep, lots of character. There we are. Of course, that's the rest of the shutdown. I'm not gonna walk down there. Okay, it looks like they got barriers that go kind of around. Maybe, yeah, it looks like there's grass before the barrier, so I don't know. Maybe we'll drive down there here in a minute. Maybe not. Wasn't really planning on, or for sure if I was even going to do a video. I didn't even bring my GoPro. I was just doing this on my camera. Or my phone. Camera phone. They've got lights on this side of it. They put in new speakers. So I think they got a little better sound system going. Hopefully, be able to put on a pretty good show here for you guys. Well, I stuck around long enough to watch this old boy make a hit. Got my camera lady with me now. We're gonna just run down the return road. Scott said I could run down the track, but I don't want to mess anything up for the guys that's actually here testing and paid for it. That says restricted area. It's a seatbelt dinger and this stupid thing. This is parking. I'm not sure if that field out there might be for parking too. I didn't get the chance to ask him that. We're gonna have to put our seatbelts on. We're gonna have to listen to that dinging the whole way. I'm pretty sure all this, unless it's really soupy or nasty, might be parking. I'm not sure. That's the shutdown area. And he was telling me they had a car, actually a car from up in Missouri around my area. His brakes failed on him and he ended up, yeah, I'm gonna wind it down. You can see his tracks. He made it quite a ways out there. You can see the ruts from the tractor trying to pull him back out. So yeah, if your brakes fail, you got to turn and miss those barriers and then hit this field. The track is facing east and west. So in the evening, the sun will be at our backs on the west end. The track is facing the east, so that'll be nice. My home track at Rogersville, Missouri, it goes east and west also, but the big end is pointing towards the west. So in the evening, as the sun is going down, it gets pretty tough to see the tree and see what's going on because the sun's right in your eyes. So this will be nice. So when it, sun won't be directly in your face while we're trying to run, by noon, it'll be good to go. So just in case you want to know which direction the track was going. This is shot from the big end. Not a whole lot of shutdown room. Be all right. So that's about it for this little video. Hopefully this gets everybody a little bit of an idea what this track's about. Hopefully you get some more interest in this race, this show that we're putting on. We really have no idea what we're doing, but we're just doing it. It's just kind of Ryan Wing with Streetcar Chronicles and I just kind of, along with a couple others, just started dreaming this up, and it just kind of happened. So it was going to start out with just a couple trucks, and then now we got a lot. We don't even have an official count of how many trucks, but we've got a lot of trucks going to be coming down. Anything from your regular street trucks. We got the classes real quick are mini street, full size street, stick shift, 28-10-5 small tire, and then an outlaw class. So if you're not sure where you fit in there, the class rules are posted on the Tailgate ThrowDown Facebook group. Go in there, check that out. We got the rules there. If I can remember whenever I post this video, maybe I could put the rules in the description box below. That way, if you're interested in coming, want to know where you fit in, that should give you a pretty good idea. For right now, that's the classes we've got. Next year it may change. Like I said, we're just trying to figure this out as we go. So hope you all can join in. Appreciate you guys watching. Until next time, y'all keep your square bodies rolling. Catch you later.